Libra, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong monthly reading for June 2024. This is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan Mr. Queen PH. Like, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. And if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong 3rd anniversary promo, 25% discount sa tarot reading services, extended hanggang May 31, 2024. So meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment kung gusto nyo mag-book. Ayan, tinan natin Libra, what's up with you ngayong June 2024 for Libra. Bottom of the deck is the Devil. Oh, this is Capricorn energy. Maaring haharapin nyo na yung inyong shadow. Yung inyong, maaring shadow work, no? You will do some shadow work. Ito yung awareness mo of the things na alam mong unhealthy sa'yo, hindi nakakabuti sa'yo. Can be addiction. Anything, di ba ang addiction, anything na sobra ay hindi nakakabuti. Can be anything, no? Hindi lang naman drugs ang addiction, di ba? Can be, sa SEX, or even sa screen time na madalas kang mag-internet nang hindi ka na nagiging productive, 'di ba? And also maari ring meron kang mga kailangan na ring baguhin, no, sa buhay mo ngayong June that is no longer serving your highest good. Yeah, I think merong healing rin dito. Healing from an addiction. So, maaring meron kang aayusin na anything unhealthy sa buhay mo. Can be your health, no? Yung mismo kalusugan mo. Okay? So, your overall energy is the Ace of Swords. Ace of Swords is, change. Maaring may mga decisions ka na kailangan ng gawin to finally take action and be successful doon sa goal mo na yon. Kasi 'di ba pag meron tayong goal, hindi lang naman dapat goal mo lang yon, 'di ba? You have to make a decision kung yung ginagawa mo ba ay in alignment doon sa goal mo. Okay? Example, gusto mong makapasa sa exam. Yan yung goal mo. Pero, tinatamad kang mag-review, tinatamad kang magbasa, tinatamad kang mag-research. So, paano mo ma-achieve yung goal mo kung hindi ka in alignment doon sa goal mo? So, you need to make some changes. Okay? Ganong klaseng analogy. So, it also begins with a decision. Kasi yung pagbabago, decision mo rin yan eh. Kung willing ka na magbago. Okay? Your challenge is the Page of Wands. Ang challenge nyo talaga is to make action. Okay? So, Libra, it's time to make a decision to finally choose para pumili na, no? Anong path ang iti-take mo. Kasi definitely kapag ikaw ay may pinili na rito, you will see some progress, makakita ka na ng improvement, no? And you will also receive good news once you take action. Okay? So, this is your opportunity, 8 of Pentacles. You have the opportunity to focus on your career, your finances, and meron ding education dito. So, pwedeng may opportunity ka na mag-aral, mag-research, magdagdag ng knowledge, and to achieve something, sa iyong trabaho, sa career, sa business through your hard work. So definitely you will see results, no? Makakakita ka ng resulta dito sa pinaghirapan mo, ineffortan mo, trinabaho mo. And then your blessing is the Two of Pentacles. This is bringing balance into your life. Maaring magiging maganda yung takbo ng cash flow mo, ng career mo, kahit na meron ka pang pinagsasabay na source of income. Let's say may trabaho ka and then meron kang business on the side or meron kang sideline. Oo. So, yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng ang isa sa blessing nyo is may darating na bagong source of income. Na mas magi-increase ng inyong financial stability. So, for your money, career, finances, you have the Magician, the Five of Cups, and the Hermit. The Hermit is realizing your potentials. Maari kasing masyado kang nalibang sa maraming bagay na hindi na productive sa'yo. Ngayon, yung iba sa inyo, you will isolate yourself, you will reassess, pag-aaralan mo, saan ba ako sumusobra, saan ba ako nagkukulang, ano ba yung dapat kong i-improve sa trabaho ko, sa business ko, or sa career ko, sa finances ko, sa ugali ko, pagdating sa work. So, meron dito kasing losses. So, maaring yung mga na-miss mong opportunities, marirealize mo na, kasi na-miss ko to kasi naging pabaya ako or hindi ako naging maagap sa opportunity na to. So, may mga regrets. And yung regrets mo na yan, you are realizing yung mga bagay na dapat nagawa mo at yung mga bagay na dapat na hindi mo nagawa. And with the Magician here, it's about you stepping into your own power, knowing your skills, your worth. Marami kang talents and skills na pwede mo pang i-explore. And I think ngayong June, babalik ka, no? Ibabalik mo yung dating sigla mo sa trabaho, sa career, sa business, at ipapakita mo kung ano talaga yung kakayanan mo. Okay? Now, for your love life, you have the Four of Wands, Six of Cups, Eight of Wands. So, meron ditong union. So, yung iba sa inyo, if you are in a relationship right now, pwedeng pinag-aaralan nyo na or pinag-uusapan nyo na yung pagsisettle down. Oo, maaring kayo ay may balak ng magsama ng iyong person, bumuo ng sarili nyong pamilya. Meron din good news sa love life. So, pwede rin merong mga communication na mangyayari. Lalo na kung kayo ay nagkaroon ng challenges sa relationship ninyo with someone. I see na merong makikipag-ayos, merong magre-reach out sa'yo, merong pagkakataon na may posibilidad na may magkaayos, magkabalikan para sa kapakanan ng kanilang mga anak at ng kanilang family. No? If you are single naman, I think you will focus on taking care of your family, taking care of kung meron kang mga kapatid, no? If you are a single parent, you will also focus on your kids. Pero kahit na single, yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong marireceive na messages of admiration or communication sa isang tao na interesado sa inyo. So, nasa sayo na yon kung i-welcome nyo tong person na to. Okay? You have Sky. So, Sky is expansion, intuition, inspiration. So, marami kang mga creative ideas ngayong June. You want to improve yourself. You want to expand your horizon. You are inspired. Okay? You also have Lava. Lava is about courage, determination. So, talagang determinado ka na maging successful, determinado ka na may magbago sa buhay mo for the better. And confidence din yan. So, mas nagiging confident ka. Okay? You also have Moth. So, this is intuition. Grabe, no? Yung psychic abilities ninyo, Libra, meron tong magandang maidudulot sa inyo dahil this will serve as a guide sa inyo kung which direction ang kailangan yung i-take at kung ano yung decision na makakabuti para sa inyo. Possibilities. Ang daming possibilities. Focus your attention on what could go right. When you learn to imagine the best case scenario, you get to enjoy an experience twice. Yes. What could go right, no? Kasi yung mga what if na negative what ifs, what if hindi ako maging successful? What if ganito mag-fail? Ayan yung nag-a-attract ng failure talaga. Kasi na-discourage ka na kaagad. So, lagi mong isipin yung possibilities. What's in it for you? Ano yung magbabago sa'yo for the better? Reassess. You have the right to change your mind. Maaring may mga bagay ka na napagdesisyonan na, pero na-realize mo na, teka, pwede ko pang baguhin yan. Pwede ko pang i-improve yan. You're going to embrace change. A resistance to change is a resistance to life itself. Open your heart and mind to new beginnings. So, yung iba sa inyo, you will experience new beginnings. This makes sense, no? Kasi overall energy niyo rin is the Ace of Swords, which is about decision making, decision to change something sa buhay mo para you will be led to your destiny and become more successful. Okay, so that is your reading, Libra. Thank you so much. Bye.